Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you everything about in this thumbnail. Example, how to earn money through YouTube, then YouTube money per views. You can see here $1 for $1 how many views need, and there is RPM and CPM rate in this like this chart in your YouTube studio also. So for that please go to Chrome beta and open your YouTube studio and go to YouTube analytics. From desktop mode you need desktop mode and Chrome beta. So let me see there. I start my video and I will tell you everything, every secret tips for you that video. Okay friends, now I am in YouTube studio and analytics section. You have to come analytics section in YouTube studio. So I will tell you how to earn money through YouTube. YouTube is the one of the best platform we can earn money online. So I will tell you the secret tips because we need to monetize our channel. They need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. After you monetize your channel, you can find here like this analytics section. So when you uploading video, you can earn money. So there is secret tips because every video will not get more money and every video will not get the less money also. I will tell you the secret tips. So there is problem, someone searching $1 how many views need for $1. Also YouTube money per view, how many money they are earning for one view. Also high CPM and high RPM rate. Before also I inform you what is about the RPM CPM. So I will tell you the now secret tips. So go to this revenue section. If you have monetization, if you don't have any monetization yet, but you watch this one because this is very important for you. Okay, this is RPM. It called revenue per mile. Revenue per mile mean how many dollar we are getting for the 1000 views. Okay, this is the playback base. CPM mean how much YouTube getting from the client. Client mean advertisement for the 1000 views. So go to the there is option here, see more. Just click see more. This is the your chart for your videos. Okay, so let's start this from here. Now you have to just go down here, scroll. So now you will find your every video here you upload. This you can find 50 video here for free in this section. Free mean this displaying 50 videos. You can see here down there is written showing top 50 result. This mean this is the top 50 result. It's depend by the your category. Okay, now I will show you how to secret tips on here, how to find your best result. So let's start my video. Right, like this. Just forget that map. Okay, I will tell you now. This is my video and there is title. Okay, so here first one, you estimate revenue. Estimate revenue mean how much you earn from that video. You can see my there is available here $2, $1, 87 fields like that there is available how I earn from that video. Then here RPM mean I told you before. You can see here, just clicking here, no need to click, just keep the, then you can see here how many dollar we are getting for 1000 views. 1000 views mean friends there is 1000 displaying ads. Okay, this not YouTube views. They need to display the ads 1000 times at displaying on your videos. So someone watching your videos, maybe 1000 people, maybe 1200, maybe 1300. There is you can find, if you find this my video, this one, so it show 5348 views. If I search my video another one, it show maybe more than 5300 because only 5348 ads are displayed. So that's why I got $2. You can see here the $2 because the RPM rate is very low. So you have to find high RPM rates. So I will tell you how to find high RPM rates. So this is very simple and very easy, and if you find this and if you learn this one, you can make creative videos with high RPM rates. So I will tell you how to find high RPM rates. You can see here friend, you can go this one. You see RPM is, this is high and this one is very low, less than $1 or less than $0.50 also. Okay, this is about China Long March rocket. So this is I got very less rate for that Long March rocket videos. So this one, another one I put here, Google My Activity video. I got $24 RPM rate. It means very high. So you can find here CPM. CPM means, you know now, cost per mile. Cost per mile means YouTube getting from the advertiser client, how much they are paying for 1000 views, 1000 ad views. So from that 50% for us and 45% for YouTube. So it will mean we are getting here 24%. So your video, maybe your category is different from me. I am using this technology category. So even technology category, there is some different thing to how much we are getting from money. Example, country wise. Country wise mean if you are your video watching from another country, country wise you are getting from different type of rate. So this is very high dollar rate. Okay. So and also this one, you can see this about monetization. You can see here how to monetize YouTube channel. I put that video with very high rate, $16 per 1000 views. If there is 1000 views for me, there is $16 I can get. For here, if there is 1000 views, I can get $24. You can see this one only 68 cents. It means bits in up. There is one small app on Sri Lanka. You can find here your thumbnail also like that. Again go down. I will show you the high rate of videos. So okay, like this. Okay, you can see here this one $176 CPM rate. This is very high, and I will get $72 for 1000 views. You can see the difference between this is about dog and cat. I told you before video also, there is for dogs and cat there is some keywords you can get big money. If there is I play 1000 views, I can get $72.50. So there is I received only 29 views because it displayed very less views. There is views, but there is ads display is very less. You can see here only for 6 views I got 29 cents. So you can understand now how much we are getting for. You can divide 29 divided by 6. Okay, so you can understand how much you are getting. Also I will show you like that. You can see here $35, $11, and I get $12. Google, everything about Google, you making videos for Google, that we are getting, you can get also high rate. So this also successful YouTube channel for 2021 best tips. Also I got $14 per 1000 views. I think you understand now how to earn money online also. This is the online money also, and basement there's categories also. You can make another category. I also study about this one. You can learn also this one because this is very useful for your videos. You can create videos for more views and more RPM rates, more CPM rates, and you can earn money quickly. This is one of the best platform for earn money online. So I think now you understand how much you can get from one view. There is depend on category and country wise. If there is high rate country like Australia, USA, Canada, that's the high rate countries. So if you are getting views from high rate countries, you can get big money. I think you understand now everything. So RPM is now understand, CPM also understand. Now you can check your monetization section, go to that like this, then you can understand, okay, this kind of video I create for next time, like that you can earn big money. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you like this. If you not subscribe, just make one like also, because I'm happy for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you from another video.